Alrighty, guys, we are again on 10 Mile Day. We're going to go over through our amazing words 6 through 10. I did not mention it yesterday, but if you would like to take notes, you can pause this video and go ahead and get some pencil and paper because you will have a amazing words quiz where you match the definition to the word tomorrow. So it would be a great time to take some notes and jot down these definitions so you can study them or look back at them while you take that quiz, okay? Our first word that we're going to go over today is emblem. An emblem is a visual representation of an idea, place, or person. Can you think of any emblems that you've seen or know of? Those are some awesome ideas. You know that the golden arches, the big yellow M? What does that represent? McDonald's, right? And there's that green little lady, that's Starbucks. Lots of restaurants use emblems to represent their brand. I know that Microsoft has an emblem, the little colorful square, right? So there are tons of emblems that we see used every single day that we may not even realize is a visual representation of an idea, place, or person. Emblem has 2 syllables, and you would break it up as emblem. That's how you find those 2 syllables. Our next word is sustenance. Sustenance is food or nourishment. It can also be defined as a source of strength or life, which kind of makes sense, right? Because how do we live? How do we continue living? By giving ourselves food, by eating and nourishing our body correctly, right? We can't live if we don't have food and nourishment in our bodies. So those definitions kind of go together and make sense. The word sustenance has how many syllables? 3. And how would we break it up? Awesome job. We would break it up as sustenance, 3 syllables. The next word is adversity. Adversity is great difficulty or hardship. Adversity has 4 syllables, and we would break that up as adversity. Say that with me, guys. Adversity. Now say the whole word, adversity. And remember, that is just great difficulty or hardship. Established is our next amazing word. And established is set up on a lasting basis. This word has a base and an ending. What is that base word in the word established? That's right, it's established, right? You can establish something. What ending did we end to our base word establish to turn it into a past tense form of establish? We added that ending ed, and that turned established into established, which makes it past tense. Our last word that we're going to go over today is homeland. You can also say it as homeland, whichever you prefer, okay? This is the country that is your home or native land. Good way to remember that definition is it has the word home and land in it, right? So my homeland is the United States of America. It's the country that is my home, and it is the country that I was born in. So what is your homeland? Awesome, guys. Homeland is actually a compound word. That means it is 2 words put together. What are those 2 words in homeland? That's right. Our 2 words are home and land put together to make 1 word, homeland. Can you think of any more compound words that you know? Those are some awesome words, right? The one that first popped into my head was doghouse. We put the word dog and house together, and we make the word doghouse. Y'all did awesome today. Remember, you can go back to yesterday's video and take some notes. You can also jot down some notes today, and you will have an amazing word quiz where you match the word to the definition tomorrow.